Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to use video sound for calls on the application of Imo. To know how to use video sound for calls on the application of Imo, you should just go to the app of Imo as you see and you click. After that, in this page, we go above to this window of profile and we click here. Then in this list, you'll enter to settings. After that, you'll enter to notifications. Here in this list, we go to click calls, and then we go to click ringtone. After that, we click use video sound, and here you can click allow to use video sound to your calls on the application of Imo. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.